hot outside. So today guys, I'm going on a trip, a marketing trip with my church mates. We're gonna buy stuff so that we can sell it tomorrow for this Holy Week, and we'll set up a kiosk in front of my house so that the people who are going to church, we can sell them some snacks or some food. So let's go. So right now I'm here in my church. I'm just gonna pick up Rogie and my other church mates. Raj, I know, Tamengaga. So we're here right now at the house of my church mate T-Boy. Here we're gonna get some coconuts and we're gonna get some Indian mangoes. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Oh.
Dagdag wala nung.
Untiin nila. This is Majal, Pit, Aya, and Roro. Their Instagram link down below. Just follow them. So right now we just finished eating Indian mango and we're about to load the coconuts to the car. And we're on and we're gonna meet our friend Jem at NGC and we're gonna eat some lunch. So right now we are here in Libertad. We just finished dropping off the coconuts in church and we're gonna eat lunch first and then we're gonna go marketing here and buy stuff for tomorrow's event. So right now we just finished our lunch and now we are going inside the Libertad market to buy our stuff. Hey! Gani. Tiroj, ano nga sa listahan? Ano? Sige, tatlo. Pili ulila na.
Pili man tatlo lang na. Mga tayo sa mga luya.
Oo, mga panapot na. May perme ka di kinabaklan.
Oo. Isa pa ba?
Ano English ang ahos?
Lima ka dito na.
Onion. Tiroj, anong next na naman bakron?
Frutas.
Frutas.
Uy, hindi na nasa Pure Gold sa Tubang, nabla sa may Laurel.
Oo.
Kami ara na da. Ang gabi, may parang ba?
Ano ang klase sa Sandia?
Sandia, kag melon, di ba? Ano lang gustong melon? Melon.
Ang accent malang nung
Gani. So right now we are here inside the Libertad market. So this is what it's like here. Ay. Gako, may kumpitiran, di kaliw. Sila ilo, may adlaw, makamulga tinda ka mo. Thursday. Ako nagadulhog ka mo din sa Banwa, no? Dulhog dyan. Kaya ang takas, di ba, ano na sa Iloilo? Dumidyo ba sa city?
Pinana. Ha?
We're going to buy the watermelon, but the watermelon was very expensive, so we have to find another store here. This is what's great in Libertad, because if a store is very expensive, you can just move to the other store and find another store who sells it for a much cheaper price. So right now we just bought some watermelons and melons, and we're trying to find some eggs for a very cheap price here in Libertad. And after this, we have to go to Porsche to buy the container and then to 888. Done. So we just bought the eggs and we're now going back to the car. We're on our way to Porsche. So we just left Libertad and I'm here right now in Porsche store. What's amazing is Porsche has the, when you need something for a party or the snacks, Porsche is a great place to buy. So right now I'm here in Porsche. Porsche is a great place if you're planning to throw a party or just need household stuff for a very cheap price. You can visit here at Porsche. They have a bucket, they have clothes and some buckets. So we just finished buying our stuff in Porsche and we're going to our next destination, which is 888 to drink some frap or shake. So right now I'm here in 888 with my friend Rogie. Follow her in Instagram. And right now we're looking for some coffee and some shake because it's a really hot day. Right now we're gonna get some shawarma and some shake. Huh? So right now we're here at Encarnacion. We're eating barbecue and we just got back from 888 and Porsche. So come on guys, let's eat. Thank you. Take pilatan na lang. Ay. Hindi ako na yun.